Want to dive into the crypto world but unsure how to buy USDT with your Gcash? This short tutorial will show you how. First, make sure you have the Bybit app downloaded and you've completed your KYC verification. Open your Bybit app. On the Bybit homepage, locate and tap the Buy Crypto button. It's usually in the top navigation or somewhere prominent on the main screen. You should be on the Express tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Next, tap on the payment method option. It likely defaults to something else initially. From the list of available payment methods, scroll until you find Gcash and select it. Confirm your selection. Now, enter the amount in PHP you want to spend. The corresponding amount of USDT you'll receive will be automatically calculated and displayed. Double-check the rate and the final amount, then click the Buy button. You'll now see the payment details, including the Gcash account name and number of the seller. Carefully copy these details. Do not skip this part. Open your Gcash app and go to the Send Money option. Choose Bank Transfer and find the correct bank from the list. It will be shown on the Payment Details page in Bybit. Enter the Gcash account details you copied and the exact amount you are supposed to send. Once you've made the payment, take a screenshot of the confirmation screen. This is important proof of your transaction. Return to the Bybit app and tap the Payment Completed button. Then, upload the screenshot of your Gcash payment confirmation. The seller will then confirm the transaction. After the seller confirms, your USDT will be credited to your Bybit account. Congratulations, you've successfully bought USDT with Gcash.